What the heck? There is a massive overhaul at Monte. We have returned to Knott's Berry Farm. This is Adventures with David. Welcome. My name is David. I host this YouTube channel. We are going to be going inside of Knott's property to give you guys some theme park updates. So if you guys totally enjoyed it, at the very end of the video, give us some thumbs up and hype it up as much as possible. And if you guys love theme park content like this, subscribe. All right, well, we're going to start off here at Soak City, but there's not that much updates here. So let's head inside of Knott's Berry Farm. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. All right, so it looks like today they're actually having Synergy here at the pavilion. So to the right of Soak City, today being Saturday, they will be here doing a company party. They need to work on this sign right here for the Peanuts headquarters. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah. All right, so we just got inside and right about the very entrance, they still have emptiness. It's all 100% bare, but it is extremely busy. I'm maybe dumb enough to actually come here on a Saturday. If you do follow my Instagram, I do notice some hidden Ks around the park. Okay, so a couple of things right off the bat. I think for the most part, this one's not really new to the park. They've actually had this one before. They've had Snoopy here before, but they have a new bubble blaster. Check it out. Brand new. I think they've had the Joe Cool here before as well. Most of this is gonna be from last year. I didn't see this one from before. Didn't see these sweaters, actually. Check out these Joe Cool sweaters right here. And a hat. There you go, Crash. Not only do they have Joe Cool here, but they got a Woodstock. All right, so these run about $49.99. And don't worry, they have them in shirt form too. So they got shirts here as well for $29.99. They have a Snoopy one. They have a Joe Cool one. And they even have a Belle one. Look at this, they even have merch. Oh, well, this is, I think, older merch from here. Oh yeah, it is, because it says Cedar Fair right there. So a lot of the shirts now, they say Six Flags. So if you do see Cedar Fair, it's probably from the old that they had here before. But yeah, it's all for the kiddos. Not big on the merch that they have there just for now. There's not as much merch. There's some of the merch there from 2025 or 2026, but more of them on 2025. So we're gonna keep looking. I feel like these crates are actually put in a very specific spot. Now, what are they going to utilize this for? Hey, Deadeye, you forgot one of your cups, dude. Go bring Deadeye his cup. But yeah, what do you guys think? What is this going to be? So a huge shout out to one of my viewers. It does look like he possibly is right. They're actually doing some work at the Birdcage Theater. So here, I mentioned it was going to be Kirk and the Hillbillies, but this is going to be home to Snoopy's Sketch School at the Wilderness Barn. Now, again, it would be pretty cool if they also had entertainment inside there as well with the Peanuts Sketch School, like in betweens. That's pretty cool. There's enough space inside there to allow a lot of people to draw. It's your train.
Actually, I didn't miss it at all. That's kind of the problem. Oh, my partner bet that I couldn't hit a target from a target at the depot from the schoolhouse.
Yeah.
And I told him I could, and I sure did, but he didn't believe me. So I threw a stick of dynamite out on the tracks. He believes me now.
True.
But yeah, I kind of blew up the track.
I saw. Cool. I'll keep track on that for you.
In the meantime, yeah, I'm train robbers.
Yeah. Hey, don't take any kind of donations for you guys.
Yeah, listen. Yeah? I'm always happy to, but robbing folk in the Cashless Park ain't very conducive to a lucrative.
Well, no, it's not robbing. You're just taking donations.
Right.
Just happy donations.
I'll tell you what, them donations ain't very happy or lucrative neither, man.
That's true.
Cashless Park again.
Okay, now that was pretty cool. I love that even though the Calico Railroad is down for big time maintenance, we still get the bandits that are coming around here asking for charitable donations for you guys. But it is a cashless park, so there it is. So still no update right here at Calico Square. We still haven't got the stage yet. We got some updates here at Calico Railroad. They're putting in the new track that's starting to be put in, so they're nailing everything down. I would say we're almost there, but a big, massive updates that they're doing. I mean, periodically, this is actually a good sign. At least for the most part, they take good care of the railroad system that they have here. So that's the best part. At the Wilderness Dogs, well, it's weirdly enough, it says Wilderness Broiler. They have yet to change out the front name itself, but there's a brand new menu there. The buffalo fries look fantastic, but there's a bigger menu for the dining plan. And you know what? It's still closed out, the Calico River Rapids. All right, so they have an entire section here devoted to Belle and Snoopy. Now, see, they do have a Herschel backpack right here. So again, you get your plushies on the very top part there. They have the Herschel backpack right here. They got a new bubble blaster right here. This one has Bell on it. Yeah, a whole new section right here. Oh, they even have a coin purse. There you go. So the stage is now set for Let's Celebrate and Snoopy's rooftop concert. They don't have everything just about yet. It's still bare wood on the very bottom there, but it's getting there. Wow. Now, we're talking about there's not that much updates all throughout the park for Peanut Celebration, but at least here, there is a lot of updates. At least you got that. And all we're hoping for is enough power half the park. 'Cause if you know, you know. You know. Okay, so one of the biggest things is at the Boardwalk. I know they're doing a bunch of updates, but the Boardwalk needs an update. The pier looks like it's starting to come apart piece by piece by piece. The heck? So we got news at Knott's Berry Farm where they're talking about Johnny Rockets. Now, they had the coyote pups there. What does that mean for Johnny Rockets? Now, Josh always wants to mention that Coaster's Diner might be there, which is a great guess. But what I'm saying is also, if they're thinking about doing upgrades, you leave Coaster's Diner the way it is. And hey, if they want to just have the Berry Tales attraction there, that is up to them 100%. To add on to that, you can have a Berry Factory restaurant there with the coyote pups and everyone else. So that's something that kind of looms around, like what is to come of Johnny Rockets, because we're all kind of tired of it. All right, like always, we have to get our Monty update here at Camp Snoopy. Dude, look at the amount of construction I'm about to showcase to you guys. If you guys know Adventures with David, of course, we always come out to see Monty. So Monty right now has some boards that are being put up, all the formwork that is here for construction. They got the rebar up. So if you actually look at the ones on this side, they haven't put rebar just about yet, but they're gonna be putting in rebar. But it's more for the structures. So if you kind of look on where exactly they're gonna be putting this concrete, it does look like it's going to be poured for mainly to hold it up. Dude, in the inside, we just talked about, they're doing a massive overhaul in the interior part of this attraction. And I am beyond excited. Oh my gosh, dude, there's a lot being done. There's a lot of construction being done in the inside. You can definitely see it right there. But holy cow, man, when I was just last here, they weren't working on it at that time. We're here on a Saturday and they're still working on this. There is an extension of the construction walls at the queue line, which they are working on the base part of that queue line with more conduits where that queue line actually is being extended. There's a wall that's an extension out. So it looks like they're possibly working on the line queue for that as well. But there's a massive overhaul happening. But yeah, every single time I'm here for my weekly updates, you can see more of the updates. Well, we got anchor points right here too. Look at this. The anchors are right here. Wow. I'm having so much fun filming for you guys. It's great. Last time you actually saw me was yesterday at the Spooky Art Walk over in Anaheim. Look at this, scope that video out right there. I want to showcase you guys this right here. I was just at the La Boutique shop and they have a Valentine pop-up there. I actually got to also meet Cruella Morgan, a fantastic suspension queen. But yeah, it was great to meet her as well. I'm having so much fun filming as much as possible for you guys. If you guys totally enjoyed this video, give it some thumbs up, hype this video as much as possible, and subscribe if you guys love theme park content. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.